Good evening all. Someone asked me to do a Rasta Pasta tutorial. It's pretty much the same thing as an Alfredo with shrimp and chicken, but the only difference is you use some jerk seasoning. So I'm going to start out with some olive oil, probably about a quarter of a cup, some boneless chicken, some shrimp. I have here a tomato diced up, 2 cloves of garlic minced, a half an onion diced up, 2 halves of sweet peppers chopped up. I have in this bowl a teaspoon of everything: sole seasoning, basil, oregano, garlic powder, salt, and I'm going to use a teaspoon of jerk seasoning and then the classic ragu Alfredo sauce. Okay, so I went ahead and I added in the chicken and the olive oil, and I'm stirring in the 1 teaspoon of jerk seasoning with a dash of oil, salt. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make the chicken cook all the way through before I add in the sweet peppers and all the other ingredients. So make sure you fry your chicken all the way through before you put your other ingredients in. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead now and add in all the sweet pepper, the onions, garlic, and all the tomato. And I'm going to go ahead and add in the seasonings also that I showed you in the previous tutorial. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it in and mix it up and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Stay tuned. So now I've added in the shrimp, and I kind of stirred it around in the seasoning and the jerk seasoning and all that's in here. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in the sauce. And then I'm just going to fold this in and let the sauce cook for about maybe 5 minutes. And then I'm going to add in my pasta that I already have prepared here, the penne pasta. And that's pretty much it. It's not a long tutorial. It's very easy to do. And it tastes very yummy. And I usually add a little bit of Parmesan cheese at the end. Stay tuned. And there you have it, the finished pasta. Has a nice flavor, nice and rich. And it has in chicken and shrimp and all the seasonings that I showed you in the tutorial. It's really good. Very easy to make. Some people make the Rasta Pasta without any meat in it, and they eat it with oxtail or whatever you choose to eat it with. But this is it. This is the basic recipe, or my basic recipe. I don't know, other people might have other ways of doing it. But anyway, thanks again for watching, and I hope you try this. Have a great evening.